Hello everyone, this is Allison over at Genius Phone Repair over at your Fort Wayne location. Today we'll be talking about spam calls. We've all gotten a call from people that we don't necessarily know or spam calls multiple times a day. However, there is a way to prevent that. First thing you want to do is register yourself to the Do Not Call list on the Federal Trade Commission. From there, you can also go on to donotcall.gov to register your device. You can also call the number on the screen to also register your device. Many phones have a spam call detector that will let you know if the call you're receiving is a spam caller. You do have the option to ignore this call. If need be, you can always have the setting set up where you can ignore all unknown callers that are not currently on your contact list. The last step I have for you guys today is to contact your cellular provider. They do have programs in place to help with the security and spam. And anyway, so I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to come back for next Tuesday.